So hello and welcome everyone to Fintube. My name is Ankur Singh. Now let's see how market did today and how we did today. So first of all, about our performance. So we closed with minus 17 points downside, which is almost kind of a flat if you consider it. So it's negative. So we'll consider it to be negative. So now let's see how market did today and what were we thinking about this. As we discussed already today that this 40,200 is going to be the major resistance, and market we already have discussed that market is going to open at gap up. So market gapped up with a good performance and sustainability at higher levels, and here when we see this market took support from this resistance level and then it took it as a support here at 40,200 or 150 levels, and when market took this as a support and remain above this levels, so market still throughout the day remain almost on let's see in a shorter time frame like 5-minute chart frame. When we see this 40,150 kind of levels as support, market took a very strong candle from this levels, and throughout the day market remained above this levels. So this is very good symptom for Indian markets, and I think this also happened in Nifty. So as when we talk about Nifty, it also opened with very good gap up, and we'll have to see that this opened above 17,400 in levels, and when earlier it was having a resistance about this 17,400 levels, and when it gapped up and sustained above this levels, it throughout the day it remained above this levels, right? So what's the prospect for tomorrow or the way ahead? The thing is, market is taking resistance like when we talk about Nifty, it is taking resistance around 17,500 is a major resistance, as it is a round figure number for Nifty. So this is going to be the major resistance 17,500, and if it breaks with sustainability at higher level, we are going to touch this 17,600 levels very soon. But there has been a catch that market has caught on higher levels. All the banks were supporting, but here HDFC and HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited was not supporting the market. That's why market in Banknifty, especially when we talk about Banknifty, that's why Banknifty has not performed as much as it should be, because HDFC Bank and its sister company was not supporting at higher levels. Though SBI had a tremendous performance today, like it has given almost 3.5% gain today, and all other banks other than this HDFC Bank has performed so well, and the main contributor is especially PSU banks. So here when we see this SBI and banks like PNB has shot up almost 5%. So we got a very good performance from these PSU banks, and also some private banks have also supported us, like ICI Bank, and I hope Kotak Bank and Axis Bank were also performing, and even IndusInd Bank was. But the major factor was with the PSU banks. PSU banks have supported the Bank Nifty very well, and I hope that this is going to be the bottoming out of performance. And if from here on now, if we talk about this Nifty, we may see some profit booking tomorrow if it's not supporting this 17,400 and breaks this 17,400 level, like this on 15-minute time frame or with a bearish candle, then we may see some profit booking here. On upper level, we have already decided that this is going to touch this 17,600 level as a resistance. If it breaks this, with a hammer candle like this, or a bullish engulfing candle like this, right? So these are the levels for tomorrow. We will also discuss it in our pre-market opening tomorrow. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty level is like this. These are the resistance. Look at this chart, and these are the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. So for 40,500 is going to be the major resistance for tomorrow. If we break this 40,500 levels, we're gonna to shoot up to this 40,700 levels. We're gonna shoot up to this 40,700 levels. And even if we are breaking this 40,000 level with a good hammer candle or in a bearish engulfing candle, we may see it's earlier, and it's most probable that after such kind of 2-day rally, like when we look at this chart on a higher time frame like 1 hours. So if we see such kind of 2-day rally into the market, we may see some profit bookings here, and it can also fill this this gap. So we are looking for this 40,000 gap to be filled up as soon as possible, and then we can see a upside from this state, right? And let's drive a region here as support. This 40,000 is a round figure number, that's why it's going to be a major support for this area, and if it breaks, we can ultimately see this 39,800 levels. So these are the levels for tomorrow as of now. And again, we would remind that we have booked negative 17 points, and we are still looking ahead. But in our cash calls like Apollo Tires, Granules, and I hope they performed very well, and we'll continue to watch. I have also given a watch list to you all in my Telegram, and it's I'm again reminding you that if you are not available there in Telegram, you can join me there, and that is the link is already given into the description below. And for tomorrow, yes, we had given almost, I think, Apollo Tires, Granules, Coforge, RBL Bank on watch list to be on your watch list. And for tomorrow, these stocks like BHAL, Polycab, Canara Bank, TVS Motors, Hall, which is Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, and one more stock. So these are the major stocks that should be in your watch list for tomorrow, and we'll discuss it also in tomorrow pre-market opening. So that's it from my side for today in today's post-market report. Thank you very much.